Hi everyone, I already discussed fully and partially funded scholarships with you to help you study in the United States. If your dream destination is still the United States of America, this video is for you. Let's talk about the exciting Common App for prospective students. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on Meet Charles' show. The Common Application, or Common App, is a widely used platform for applying to undergraduate programs at over 1,000 colleges and universities in the United States and some abroad. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it to apply for college with or without scholarships. First, create a Common App account. Visit commonapp.org, choose your applicant type, first year or transfer student, and fill in your basic details to create an account. Next, add colleges to your dashboard. Use the college search tool to find schools you're interested in. Strategy is important. Focus first on universities known for fully funded scholarships to internationals and programs that fit your goals. Begin researching and preparing your applications at least a few months in advance. Click plus, add to add schools and colleges to your application list. Each college may have different requirements, so check them individually. Use filters to make an appropriate or proper selection of colleges or universities. Then, complete the Common App sections. This includes your profile with personal information, contact details, demographics, language, geography, and citizenship. The Family section will cover parents' education and occupation and siblings. The Education section will include your high schools, GPA, class rank, courses, and counselors. In the Testing section, add standardized tests like SAT, ACT, TOEFL, or IELTS, if required or optional. For activities, list extracurriculars, jobs, family responsibilities, leadership, etc. Demonstrate leadership and impact by highlighting experiences that showcase your leadership skills and community involvement, demonstrating your ability to make a positive impact. In the Writing section, choose one personal statement with a maximum of 650 words. Customize your scholarship personal statements to align with each scholarship's mission and values. Next, add recommenders and decide on the FERPA waiver. Decide whether to waive your FERPA rights. Most students do. Invite teachers, counselors, and others to submit recommendation letters. Some schools require specific recommenders, like 2 teachers and 1 counselor. Secure strong recommendations by obtaining letters from individuals who can attest to your academic abilities and character. Finally, complete college-specific questions. Each college may ask for supplemental essays. Customize your scholarship personal statements and essays to align with each scholarship's mission and values. They may also ask special questions like, why this school, or request portfolio uploads for art or music programs. Apply for scholarships via Common App if available. Some colleges automatically consider you for merit-based scholarships through your Common App. Others may link to separate applications like the CSS profile for need-based aid or institutional scholarship portals. Check each school's financial aid or scholarship section on their website. Lastly, request fee waivers if needed. You can request a fee waiver on the Common App if you can't afford application fees. Counselors must approve it. Many schools also offer free applications automatically through Common App. Review each section carefully. Pay the application fee if applicable. Submit applications individually per school. Monitor emails and college portals for updates. Submit any additional documents like official transcripts or test scores directly if needed. Look for Common App partner scholarships like the Jack Kent Cook Foundation and QuestBridge for low-income, high-achieving students. Apply early action or early decision if applicable. These can increase the chances of admission and aid. Most U.S. universities and programs open applications about 9 to 12 months before the academic year starts. Early preparation is crucial for securing merit-based awards. Prepare for interviews, practice common interview questions, and be prepared to discuss your goals and motivations. A prospective student can get a fully funded or partially funded scholarship to study in the U.S. by following these tips for a successful application. Optimize the Common App to select your favorite college or university. Meet the eligibility requirements, strong academic performance, high English proficiency scores, leadership experience or community involvement, and strong application materials like recommendation letters, personal statement, and CV. Prepare competitive application materials. For your personal statement or essay, show passion, goals, leadership, and impact. Secure recommendation letters from teachers, professors, or employers. Gather academic records like transcripts and certificates. Provide proof of English proficiency through tests like TOEFL, IELTS, or Duolingo. Finally, submit standardized test scores if required, such as SAT, GRE, or GMAT. I hope these tips help you explore other options for reaching your dream country and achieving your fullest potential. Explore this opportunity and take the first step toward your future. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like this video, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our exciting content. Your support means the world to us.